This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3626 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, Urban Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze Cabinetry interior, sleeps 6, leveling jacks, external shower, smoke detector, stovetop burner, awning, TV antenna, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, TV, self-contained, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Bay Star 3626 is built on a Ford F-53 26,000 pounds chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.